Crosswalk button experience at Broadway Avenue in Main Street. 3, 2, 1.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street. Traveling east.
Yeah, so as you see, this is east. East is like this way. If you press like another crosswalk, you might pass through it and go to the other side. But why not? I'm gonna do that now. Past the crosswalk, and I'm going to the other side.
Wait.
But I won't do that. I must go over there after that. Afterwards. You know what? I recommend go straight. I don't care.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street. Traveling east.
So, yeah, it's really cool.
Wait.
Here's the two lights.
Wait. Wait.
Whatever. I'm waiting. So basically when that red traffic light turns on, I can cross. But you see this oh. Okay, so yellow arrow and yellow light is turning.
Broadway Avenue. 1 minute on this cross. Broadway Avenue. Broadway Avenue. 1 minute, 8, 7, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12.
Let's go to the other one. This one's still broken. Yeah, it's still broken. Whatever. So what happened to this crosswalk was actually not working, by the way, because usually somebody messed around with it like 1 year ago or something. Thank you.
One thing's up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Still, oh. Once again, that light here lighted up because I pushed it once. Gotcha. So I have like another traffic light on the back side. Like it's not even like turning green like a moment. There you go. Like I think I just waited like 59 seconds to cross.
Seven, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, guys, that's all.